Hi, everyone. I'm Frank Guido from Aareas Interactive. We're here in beautiful sunny Orlando at the MHI show. Second day of the show. It's absolutely fantastic. And I'm here with Andrew Lett.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's been a fantastic show. We've had lots of very interesting people come by. One in particular, HUD Secretary
Scott Turner
came by and dropped by and wanted to have a discussion with us and see a little bit of a demo. Yeah, Frank, what do you remember from that discussion?
Yeah, it's a little bit surreal. So we're demoing to other people, and down the aisle is coming a big entourage of individuals. We didn't know who it was until they got a lot closer. And it was HUD Secretary, and he came by and said, demonstrate what you guys can do. So we have a VR home configurator, and he was taken aback by the technology. In fact, he was a keynote speaker this morning, and he talked about innovation, how the industry had to innovate much more. And this is what he loved. He saw this as being an innovative solution. And it is. It allows the consumer to search, compare, design their house. They can docu-sign a contract. They can pay for it online. The order gets produced and sent to the plant, or the retailers can do this, or the community owners. They can actually sit with their customers and go through this. It just makes the process very efficient. Efficiency keeps costs down. That actually helps with the affordability crisis.
Absolutely. Saw it as a way to kind of move forward in an efficient way to present a great product, but make sure consumers get access to it in an affordable way. So yeah, great opportunity, interesting, and fantastic that he took such a great interest in Aareas Interactive.
And if anybody would like to see a private demonstration, happy to do so. You can visit Aareas.com or contact us, and happy to set up a webinar. Thanks, everyone.